correcting a child without crushing. Oo nga, no? We as a parents tend to outburst our feeling. Minsan, gusto natin, sabihin na natin lahat. Sabihin na natin, pag nainis tayo sa mga anak natin, sige, sabihin ko na lahat, ganito, ganyan, ganyan, hanggang sa nung ipinanganak pa, naikwento mo na, ganito, ganyan, hanggang sa napapansin mo, sinusunod mo yung yung emotion mo, yung bugso na emotion mo, hindi na maganda yung lumalabas sa bibig mo. And then, little did you notice na hindi mo napapansin, nasasaktan mo na yung emotion ng isang bata. And those are the things na we as a parent should be avoiding, iwasan natin yon. If we are overstimulated, if we feel so much anxiety, if we can't regulate our emotion, we should better be shut up. We should shut up our mouth and pray instead of thinking negative thoughts, thinking of the bad words na we want to say. Sabi nga, ang taong marunong mag-control sa bibig, yun yung mas better, yung nakokontrol mo yung bibig mo, yung isip mo, nakokontrol mo, kasi yung mga salitang lalabas sa bibig mo, hindi mo na yung mababawi, hindi mo na yan pwedeng sabihin, ay, hindi ko sinasadya. No, once na sinabi mo yung isang bagay, lalo na't masakit, tumiti mo yun eh, nag-stay yan sa puso, and eventually, ito yung naidadala niya hanggang paglaki niya. And if you're a parent like that who always speaks negative to your child, I want you to know that it's not yet the end. You still have time to change. You surrender it to God. I know it's hard. I've been there. But then, I surrender it to God. Kahit magkamali ng